again.
Nice
Congratulations
to see you too.
on this amazing film.
Thank you.
You've been lucky enough to work with some amazing actors and ensembles, and this one similarly.
Yeah.
How has being around all these amazing talents kind of helped you become more confident in your work and doing what you've been doing so far?
I think, well, I was just saying, I'm learning from the best people. The people that you surround yourself with are the people that you learn from. So, I mean, I literally couldn't be surrounded by better, more experienced talent. So, in a way, I guess that makes me more confident that when I'm walking away, I've done it. I'm, assured in some way. I don't know.
What was it about this character that spoke to you? Because there's a lot of undercurrent going on with her and lots of things for you to kind of delve into. What was it about her that made her stand out when you read the script for the first time?
I think I could really easily relate to her. I'm very close with my parents, and her mum was her rock for, she's been in a few different families, but her mum was always her constant. And I think when something kind of is going wrong and that panic and fear that something is not okay with your parents is horrible. So I think in some way I could relate to that. Other than that, she's super smart, which I'm not. She reads all the time. And I thought, I want to play a character like that.
What's it like working with someone like Noah? Because he's done some amazing films, had fantastic kind of female characters in some of his films as well. What was it like stepping into the world and being directed by him?
It was incredible. He is like no director I've ever worked with. He's so meticulous, and everything is choreographed and thought out before we get there, which is, the directors I've worked with is a bit more, we'll see what happens on the day. This was so meticulous, it was amazing. You had like a security blanket when you would arrive on the day that you knew what was happening, nothing would be thrown in your path, and it was all, when it would go to plan, that's of course.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Hey You Guys!
Hey You Guys, huh?
Hey, you guys.
Is that from the Goonies?
It is indeed, yes.
Nice.